Have you ever experienced a sudden iMessage outage? Picture this, you're in the middle of an important conversation and suddenly your messages just won't go through. It's not your internet connection and it's not your device, it's an iMessage outage. Just yesterday, Apple experienced a widespread iMessage outage affecting thousands of users. Over 13,000 outage reports flooded DownDetector, highlighting a significant issue primarily related to sending messages. As users scrambled to understand what was happening, iMessage quickly became a trending topic across various social media platforms. This isn't a new issue for Apple. Outages have occurred before, affecting not only iMessage but other services like Apple Music. These interruptions in service can be inconvenient to say the least, but Apple has consistently shown swift action in addressing them. By 7 p.m. Eastern Time, Apple had resolved the issue, restoring the ability to send messages via iMessage. Scene script? But the issue wasn't confined to Apple. Texting outages were also reported on Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. It seems that in our increasingly digital world, even the most reliable services can falter. Apple's system outage page confirmed the issues with iMessage, Apple Messages for Business, FaceTime, and HomeKit apps, which have now all been marked as resolved. In conclusion, even the most sophisticated tech giants like Apple aren't immune to outages. But the swift resolution of this problem highlights their commitment to providing reliable services to their users. So, the next time your iMessage doesn't go through, remember it's not always your internet connection or your device. Sometimes it's just a hiccup in the system. In this video, we delved into the recent iMessage outage that affected thousands of users. We highlighted how such outages are not uncommon, and how tech giants like Apple swiftly address these issues to restore their services. We also touched on similar outages experienced by other service providers. In our increasingly digital world, the reliability of such services is paramount, and even the briefest interruption can cause widespread disruption.